Hi Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection Energy reading for mid-March 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you Aquarius, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Aquarius, let's look into your energy and your person energy on your soulmate and twin flame connection for mid-March 2021. Let's see what we have for you here, Aquarius. Also, Aquarius, please know that this is a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Aquarius, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. Okay, so let's look into the mutual energy between you and your person. Oh wow, I've got kindred partnership coming up here and then taking steps. Okay, Aquarius, so on this side here is your energy and then on this side here is your person energy. But due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now, looking at the sign that I've got for you here, Aquarius, I'm getting a very strong water energy, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy coming out for you here, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. You could have any of those signs strongly in your chart, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Looking at your energy here, Aquarius, is quite interesting because I've got the number 9 coming up quite significantly here, the 9 of Cups, the 9 of Pentacles and the 9 of Swords energy coming up here. So the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Aquarius, for mid-March 2021 here is that a very strong completion of a cycle, a very strong completion energy is coming up for you here, Aquarius. So let's start with this 9 of Swords energy coming up here. A very strong anxiety, trouble sleeping here. I do feel like this is, as you may know here, like after the number 9 is the number 10, which is also meaning the completion here. Now, with this 9 of Swords energy coming up here, anxiety, trouble sleeping, like basically like a lot of worry energies coming up here very, very strongly. So I feel like what you're going to experience for the mid-March 2021 here is that finally letting go and finally being at peace, I would say here, like no longer feeling this anxiety, no longer having this, like stressful situation, no longer having this, like worrying about the future is what I'm getting coming up strongly. I do feel like mostly all of you here, I would say here, like if not all of you, but mostly like most of you, I would say here, is that worrying about this connection, like is this even real, am I even going to like meet them again, like all of those doubts and all of those fears are actually coming towards you here, Aquarius, which eventually is also triggering up the anxiety strongly coming up for you here, Aquarius. And then I've also got the 9 of Pentacles. This is going to be for those of you who are currently in separation as well as who are currently single energy is what I'm getting here, Aquarius. With this 9 of Pentacles energy, I'm getting like what comes up next here, the 10 of Pentacles, which is again the full of richness, I would say here, the happy home, happy family, like richness in all level, in terms of the finances as well as in terms of the emotional, like emotional fulfillment, I would say here. So again, this is what I'm getting here, because after the 9 of Cups, we also have the 10 of Cups. So 10 of Cups and the 10 of Pentacles coming up. Yeah, I do feel like the month of March will finally be the end of all of this suffering, the end of all of this heartbreak energy, especially when I've got the 3 of Swords energy coming up. Yeah, I'm definitely sensing that most of you here are currently feeling sad and feeling heartbreak, I would say here, because of this separation. But mid-March, something positive is going to happen for you and for your person here, Aquarius, because I'm getting like a very, very strong completion of a cycle here, the end of all of this anxiety, the end of all of this negative energy, all of this, like sadness and toxic energy here, and finally getting into the wish fulfillment that you actually deserve here, finally getting to that independent energy, finally getting to that, like emotional happiness is what I'm getting coming up strongly for you here, Aquarius. And this is also why I've got the 2 of Pentacles. So this is how you have been up until this particular point of time, I would say here, Aquarius. like trying to maintain the balance within yourself is what I'm getting here. Now all of this thing is finally going to come to the end where you're finally going to get the balance that you deserve is what I'm getting here. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Page of Cups, and then I've got the Holy King or the Hermit energy coming up here, and then I've got the Ace of Pentacles energy coming up here as well. So the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Aquarius, there could be a significant age gap between you and your person. If there is no significant age gap between you and your person, Aquarius, this Page of Cups energy is basically talking childishness and immaturity is what I'm getting coming up here very, very strongly. And then I've also got the Hermit energy coming up for you here, Aquarius, which is actually talking about the communication. Up until this particular point of time here, the communication between you and your person might not really be good, like kind of like on and off communication, or just completely no communication at all. Now looking at the Page of Cups energy coming up here, apart from the childishness and apart from the significant age gap between both you and your person, the Page of Cups energy is also talking about there is a possibility of issue, or there is a possibility of delay that has been happening between you and your person for this union to happen here is due to some sort of like children issue is coming up here. So like some sort of like a child involvement is also what I'm getting here. Now I've also got the Ace of Pentacles energy coming up here. Now this is also quite interesting because the Ace of Pentacles is a very strong, new and solid and committed offer is what I'm getting for you here, Aquarius. So what I'm getting from your person here is that with this Six of Swords energy, wow, look at this. Six of Swords, Six of Wands, and then the Four of Wands energy coming up here. So yes, your person is definitely currently in this hermit mode energy, but when with them being in the hermit mode energy here is that they're actually preparing on how to come towards you. They're actually preparing on how to be opening up the communication between both of you here, Aquarius. And once the communication are opening up between both of you here, once they're opening up the communication between both of you here, Aquarius, what's going to happen next here is that this Ace of Pentacles, the solid and pure and pure committed offer is coming towards you, I would say here, Aquarius. So this is what they're currently preparing themselves for. And then I've also got the Six of Swords energy coming up here for a very, very specific group of you here. This Six of Swords energy is basically talking about like having a distance. Now this can be a physical distance, could also be like an emotional distance, like your person could be in another state or in another country, could also be like in a place where like a near water stream energy is what I'm getting coming up here as well. But apart from that here, with this Six of Swords and the Six of Wands energy coming up from your person energy here, Aquarius, this is basically talking about them moving forward into a much more calmer water. So with this communication, they're currently preparing up to open up this communication so they can give you that solid and committed offer that you've been waiting for here, Aquarius. And when that happens, things between both of you here is going to move forward into a much more stable and much more like a calmer one, I would say here, as well as is going to be a positive and full of victorious energy is also what I'm getting here. And then I've also got the Four of Wands energy and then the Kinder Partnership energy coming up here as the overall energy. So if you have been having this doubt whether this person is your true twin flame and your true soulmate energy here, the answer is yes, 100%. The Kinder Partnership and the Four of Wands energy, this is my personal soul connection between both of you. The only thing that you need to pay attention to here, Aquarius, is that with this taking steps energy, now this is what I mean, like it's definitely going to happen, but it's going to be like a gradual process moving energy. You're going to see a lot of changes in a positive way starting to happen for you here starting from mid-March 2021. Some of you here will directly be in a communication, will directly be in a union in March 2021. Some of you here will be moving in a gradual pace is also what I'm getting here, Aquarius. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much for tuning in. If this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.